And community welfare attaché appointed in Council General of Pakistan. कम्युनिटी के लिए यही पैगाम है कि पाकिस्तानी कम्युनिटी बहुत वाइब्रेंट है यहाँ पे, हमें देख सकते हैं यहाँ पे फंक्शन होते हैं।
It's a really nice way of portraying ourselves, portraying the Pakistani diaspora in a way that, you know, Pakistanis can do much, much better than what is perceived about them. Thank you very much. Thank you.
A community that has punched above its weight and made major contributions to the United Kingdom, for which many British are grateful and all British should be grateful. For whom I hold great affection, and others for whom I have great admiration, and some I have affection and admiration for.
Involves incorporating sustainable materials, energy efficiency systems, and innovative technologies that minimize the ecological footprint of our dwellings. And Optima Group was able to secure 100 canals to
architects at the time. But the theme was supposed to be on rogue computers. So things like, and it was science fiction. There were no ruins there, by the way. There's a room called Cerebro. There's also a Terminator room there as well. So you don't want to go there. And again, there's an Iron Man room as well. So the idea was, you know, is can we do some extraordinary things in what we're doing today?